One of the things a geek like myself just cannot get enough of is sufficient charging solutions for all my tech needs. This wish becomes more of a necessity once you have a particular piece of hardware that uses a certain kind of charger that you don't have just enough laying around the house. What's up guys, this is GaMeAtRoN and welcome to my unboxing and quick look at the UGREEN 65W PD fast charger. So when I bought my GPD WIN MAX, it came with a very powerful 65W charger that unfortunately had some bad press upon release. This was mostly due to an earlier model which was shipped to the JD backers. If you know about the whole story, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. There was a lot of buzz and hype that was generated at that time, since there were at least two cases in which the WIN MAX charger brick malfunctioned and got burned up. GPD was forced to take a step back and assess the situation, and as a result, the charging brick was switched to a completely different model. However, since everyone was still concerned about the issue being fully resolved or not in their new charger brick once they got their GPD WIN MAXes, people started looking for third-party options to ensure that their WIN MAXes won't end up getting damaged. I cannot say I wasn't skeptical about the whole situation, but I also ended up looking at different options from other manufacturers. And this little search led me to this unboxing. So the charger I ended up getting is the UGREEN 65W USB Type-C fast charger that complies with the latest power delivery protocols for power distribution. One of the best reasons to own a PD charger is the efficient fast charging, which reduces the overall wait time. Another reason I decided to go with the UGREEN brand is that the Type-C charger is built in with multiple safety chips that prevent overcharging, overheating, and short circuit as a result of excessive output. If you look at the packaging, it is very clean, premium white look, reminiscent to the Apple products with minimal text and simple branding. The charger does not come with a Type-C cable, which is again similar to the most premium products these days. So you can use the cable which comes with your WIN MAX charger or any other cable for that matter. As for myself, I will be using the 10-foot Amazon Basics cable that I bought for my GPD WIN 2, as I feel it's the perfect size for me to keep the charger at a comfortable position under the desk. The charger itself is quite large, and as you can see here, it's even larger than the included WIN MAX charger. If you wish to know more about its size, you can compare it with the MacBook charger that gets shipped with the latest Macs. So depending on which region you buy it from, you can get it in different types of plugs like US or EU. I'm not sure if a US variant comes with folding prongs or they are similar to this one, which is non-foldable. So I know that I'm uploading this video after quite a long time, and the whole intent was to use the charger for some time so I can give you guys an honest opinion. I will be talking about the charging times and comparisons with the original WIN MAX charger in a separate video, but as for now, I can tell you guys that I do recommend this charger if you're looking to have a backup charging solution for your WIN MAX or for any other fast charging device or laptop you may have around the house that takes a 65W charger. So the price I paid for this is around $40 US, although there are many websites these days that might be having this for a cheaper price, so do keep a check on that. So that's it guys for this video. This was my unboxing and quick impressions of the 65W PD fast charger by UGREEN. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.